Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Station. Today I'm diving into the Legion Pro 516 IRX8, a powerful gaming laptop I ordered online from Dubai a few months ago. With its 13th gen Intel Core TM i9-13900HX processor, is this the gaming beast we've all been waiting for? Let's find out. After spending a few months with the Legion Pro 5, I can confidently say it stands out as a top contender in the gaming laptop market. Whether you're a gamer or a power user, this machine delivers exceptional performance and great value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.